laughing, Cameron, you're laughing. Daddy, say something, Daddy, say something, Daddy, say something.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
How are you?
I see you and you're wriggling like that.
Well, maybe you're wriggling like that, and I'm not. You having fun?
Yeah, you're in the swing right now.
Uh-huh. Have you got a little stuffed up nose? Because I think I do too. I got an itchy nose.
Can I hear you? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look what Cam's eating.
Oh wow, that's cute. I love potatoes.
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
My favorite thing to eat is marshmallows.
No, that's not lunch.
Well, it's my favorite thing to eat.
Take off your hat, Daddy. You look cute, Daddy.
Oh, you look cuter.
But I'm putting on the screen. Hello, Cameron.